Creating clear website navigation shouldn't be guesswork. You need to conduct card sorting with users to understand what will feel intuitive for them. The only problem is manual card sorting can be very time-consuming, so you need a good card sorting tool to speed up the process. Hi, my name is Alex, and welcome to UXtweak's channel. Today we're diving into card sorting tools. We'll cover what card sorting is, explore what makes a great card sorting platform, and compare the best card sorting tools. Let's start with a quick recap of what card sorting is. Card sorting is a UX research method that helps you understand how users naturally categorize and organize content. It's particularly useful when you're designing a new information architecture. Information architecture represents how information is organized, structured, and labeled on a website or in an application. You can also use it for restructuring existing content or deciding how to label navigation menus. During card sorting, participants are given cards that represent different content labels on your website and are asked to organize them into groups that make sense to them. Nowadays, most card sorting studies are conducted online. Online card sorting tools can automatically record every move participants make and analyze patterns across all responses. They also generate important visual reports for analytics, such as similarity matrices and dendrograms, depicting how people grouped your content. Plus, with online card sorting tools, you can reach remote participants and gather data much faster than scheduling in-person sessions. Now let's talk about choosing a good card sorting tool. First, the essentials. Any decent card sorting tool should support all three types of card sorting: open, closed, and hybrid. It should allow you to add cards and set up multiple studies easily, as well as track basic metrics like completion rates and sorting patterns. Then consider features that make research more methodologically sound. First of all, check if the tool has card randomization. It helps limit the anchoring bias by showing cards in different sequences to different participants. Secondly, look for tools with screening questionnaires to filter participants based on demographics or other attributes. This ensures you're getting insights from your actual target users. Then, consider what features your tool offers for analysis. The best card sorting tools should automatically create visualizations of results. Check whether the tool offers similarity matrices, dendrograms, a standardization grid, and other helpful data visualizations to support your analysis. The more automatic calculations the tool performs for you, the more effective your research process will be. Finally, consider recruitment flexibility. Can you invite your own users? Does the platform offer a participant panel if you need one? Let's explore the top card sorting tools today. UXtweak is our top pick. It offers comprehensive card sorting capabilities with all three card sorting types: open, closed, and hybrid. You can run both moderated and unmoderated card sorting with this tool and even collect your participants' face, voice, and screen recordings during studies. This helps add a layer of qualitative data to this quantitative method. UXtweak also has screening questionnaires, post-study surveys, and lots of powerful analysis features, such as automatic calculation of similarity matrices, dendrograms, standardization grids, and so on. For recruitment, UXtweak gives you 4 options: share a study link directly with participants, use the built-in participant management system, add a recruitment widget to your website, or recruit through UXtweak's user panel with guaranteed response quality. The platform also includes other research methods like tree testing, usability testing, and user interviews, making it quite versatile. The next card sorting tool is Optimal Workshop. It offers standard analysis capabilities and data visualizations. It also provides reporting features and can handle large-scale studies. However, it offers less flexibility for participant recruitment and comes at a higher price point. Then there's Miro with card sorting templates. While it's not a dedicated card sorting tool, Miro can be used for collaborative card sorting sessions. However, it lacks automated analysis features, so you'll need to analyze patterns manually, making it less efficient for large-scale studies. Finally, we have UserZoom. This platform includes card sorting as part of a UX research suite with consulting support. It's built for organizations with continuous research programs, but comes with a significantly higher price point. So, which card sorting tool is right for you? Here's a side-by-side comparison to help you decide. There we go. Card sorting is essential for creating information architectures that align with how users naturally organize content. When choosing a card sorting tool, prioritize features like card randomization, robust analysis visualizations, and recruitment flexibility. Select a tool that matches your research goals, team size, and budget. Like and subscribe and watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.